Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Batesville local and long distance movers near me. Are you ready to embark on a new journey in Batesville, Arizona? Get ready to discover a city filled with charm, history, and natural beauty. Located in the heart of the Ozark Mountains, Batesville offers a delightful and beautiful blend of small town tranquility and vibrant community life. Explore the rich heritage at the Old Independence Regional Museum or indulge in outdoor adventures at the beautiful White River and nearby state parks. Whether captivated by the scenic landscape or enchanted by the friendly locals, Batesville has something for everyone. At 3 Movers, we understand the excitement and challenges of moving. Let our Batesville, Arkansas movers assist you in transitioning into your new home seamlessly, ensuring a hassle-free relocation experience. When executing a local move, we carefully assess your move needs and create a personalized plan tailored just for you. Our skilled team of Batesville local TM movers will arrive promptly on moving day with all the necessary tools and packing supplies. We'll handle the heavy lifting carefully, loading your belongings onto our well-maintained trucks. But what sets us apart is our familiarity with the streets of Batesville. We know this city like the back of our hands. Navigating its neighborhoods, we'll take the most efficient routes to your new home, saving you time and ensuring a smooth relocation process. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Batesville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online form.